Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create checklists in Confluence step by step. If you use Confluence to keep yourself or your team organized, mastering checklists is a game changer. You'll be able to track tasks, assign action items, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know several reliable ways to make interactive checklists that work perfectly for quick to-dos or shared team projects. Let's dive in. Let's start with the easiest and most native way to create checklists in Confluence, using the action item macro. This isn't just a static list, it's a dynamic tool you can actually interact with, assign to others, and even set due dates for. That makes it way more powerful than just jotting down a to-do in plain text. The fastest way is using a keyboard shortcut. Here, how, when you're typing in any Confluence page, just type 2 square brackets so that, followed by another, then hit your space bar. Instantly, that spot on the page turns into a clickable checkbox. It's almost like a magic button for productivity. This method is fantastic if you want to keep your hands on the keyboard and move quickly through your list. No menus to search through, just muscle memory, and honestly, once you get used to it, you'll find yourself adding checklists everywhere. But let's say you're more comfortable working with commands, or you just prefer an alternative method. You can also use a slash command inside the editor. Simply type the /, then start typing action item. You'll see the action item macro pop up, and a single click inserts a fresh checkbox right in your list. This method is really nice if you'd like Confluence to surface different options as you go. You don't have to remember the exact shortcut. Maybe you're more of a mouse person and that's totally fine. There's a way for you too. On the page editor's top toolbar, look for the small checkbox icon. Just click that and another interactive box appears wherever your cursor is. This is super handy if you're formatting a long page and want to double-check your work as you go. Now here, where Confluence checklists get really smart. These aren't just personal reminders, you can get your whole team involved. When you create a checklist item, you can actually assign it to a specific teammate right there. Just type the @ sign and start entering their name, then choose from the pop-up. This will send them a notification so you're never left wondering who's doing what. And what about deadlines? To add one, type 2 slashes, that's // and a date picker will appear so you can select a due date for that task. It's super helpful for keeping projects on schedule, especially if you're juggling multiple deadlines or working with a distributed team. One tip here, don't worry if you or your teammate check something off accidentally. You can always uncheck it and even edit the item. Confluence keeps your lists as flexible as you need them to be. So now you know several ways to quickly add checklist items. Keyboard shortcuts for speed, / commands for flexibility, toolbars for a visual approach, and how to make them interactive by assigning people and deadlines. Take a few moments to play around with these methods and see which fits your style. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to learn how to do something else in Confluence. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tip, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy organizing!